So one of the issues that I've had when I've been river fishing is typically I'm in my kayak and I have this anchor that I had purchased for like $9. The problem is that this anchor, it has to be at such an angle to provide any anchoring. So you have to have all kinds of line out, even in like in 3-4 feet of water. It just doesn't seem to be, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to work. And the last time I used it, I got hung up on a tree branch or something, and I had to paddle like Dickens backwards so that I could unhook it, get it unwedged. So the way that this is set up is it anchors like this. You put your line over it and drop it down like this. Once it catches like that, right? Well, then when you want to go the other direction, you come back like this over it, and then you pull the opposite direction, pulling it up in this configuration. Long story short, that is a pain in the butt. When you're in current and paddling, it just doesn't, it's not the easiest. What I've seen a lot of people do is they'll have a power pole mounted on the back of their kayak. So what I've done is I've rigged up this, I don't know, I call it a poor man's power pole. It's just something to get me by till I either get a new power pole or something. But I have a cable, or I have a rope through an eye, and you just pull that up, and that pulls that pole out of the water. Drop it, pull, drop. I have it fixed at 3 points, attached to the PVC at this pad eye, and this pad eye, and the pad eye over there. That way, it is not going to flex. Right? It's not. It is not. That is not gonna. That's gonna hold. Also, you know, with the flexing, there's a little bit of flex in that plastic to give us some flex as the current's moving. Hopefully this improves my fishing, because when I'm river fishing, I get hung up in trees. I'll catch a fish, be reeling in, and I'm going with the current. I have no way to anchor unless, you know, other than throw that thing out. Well, I definitely don't want to be throwing that thing out while I'm have a fish on. It's something that I need to be able to deploy relatively quick. This should be, if I just coil up my rope right here around my feet, below my feet, and then go around this anchor point here with the rope. Once it's at anchor, I think we'll be doing just fine. I'll probably figure out the full length of that to drop and cut off the rope just long enough to hold that. So we're gonna go test this today, see how it works. I'm sure it's gonna have some issues, who knows? Maybe it won't be heavy enough. If that's the case, I will take and I will hang my anchor. I'll take and put my anchor and hang it up top here on the pole. That should give me more force down. Or the alternative is I can hang the anchor off of this pole too, right? Off of here. I can clip it in here, you know, right with this, and this could be my drop for my anchor. Right, so there we go. That could be what holds my anchor, and I drop it down, pull it up, right? Might make it a little bit easier to recover. We'll see. We're gonna go test it out and see what happens. Thank you. Nice wagon. They're coming for me. They're coming for me. I just want to get to the river, people. That's all I want to do. Just let me get to the river. I'd say my little anchor system is kind of working. It's positioned right there, holding. No problems. Nice. Got him. Oh yeah, we got him. Probably a little catfish. I'm hoping that it's a goldeneye. No, it's a cat. Oh no, what is this? Oh my goodness. I don't know what we got here. Oh, smallmouth. Something. Oh yeah. There you go, a little smallie. Not bad. You know there's smallmouth around here. Is that a largemouth? Can't tell. Let's see, is he gonna live? Yeah, he might. There he goes. Yeah, my phone just went in the drink. I'm not joking. Like literally, bloop. I found it in the water. I got up, I crawled out, did my thing to get my bobber unhooked, and my phone went bloop. So I found it. I just looked around in the shallow water here, and I found it right there. Just crazy. Bait fish. As I was doing that little spiel about my phone going in the drink, we got this. That's bait fish. Totally bait fish. We got fresh bait fish. If I keep them in the water there, he'll probably stay alive for a while. Yeah, anyways. We got one. Yeah, he's not a big one, but we got one. Come on. Oh, he is decent. He's not bad. Come on. Golly. There's my leader. Oh, this stupid thing's recording. Okay. Usually they splash pretty good when they get up to the boat. Golly. Keep him out of that tree. Good one. He's rolling. Woo! Ah, yeah. Man, you're just like bringing in a log. Look at that thing. Holy cow. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that fish. That's good catfish right there. Oh, I don't know how long he is, but he's almost as wide as the yak. Oh yeah. That was a good fight. Alright. Let's see if this guy's ready to go. Yep, there he goes. Woo! 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 Yeah, do they have teeth? You bet they got teeth. That was a hoot. Oh. hoot. Oh, yes, sirree, Bob. That is what it's all about right there. Yeah, good hook on the other side. And there we go. Use my own blood as churn now. All day out on the river for that. That was some fun stuff. Woo! Yeah, I knew it was a little better fish. Yeah, we're gonna stay right here. I'm gonna drop right there. Bloop. Whew. Good times. Second one. This one's just as good as the other one. Ooh, better take and drag. Come on, let me see ya. Oh yeah, he's a little better. Woo-hoo-hoo! He's not ready. You ready yet? You ready yet? Huh? You ready? Alright, we're done playing with this fish. Let's get him in. Come on. We got him in the net. In the net. That one's not quite as big as the other one. Regardless, it was still a fun fish to catch. Yeah, this one's definitely not as big as the other one. See how I got that hooked? The drummer boys are going. That was my finger. Let's take a look at this one. That one's not quite as big as the other one, but still, not a bad fish. Not a bad fish. Okay, gonna make sure we get a picture of this guy.